Hello, welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, today we are going to learn how we can set up Java in VS Code. So video is going to be divided into three parts. Firstly, we will learn how we can set up Java JDK and we will learn how we can install VS Code, and the last one is how we can connect VS Code and Java JDK to run our first code. So without wasting a time, let's get started. So first we need to open browser and search Java Oracle. There is a first link, we have to click on it. Then download Java. Then we'll scroll down, and for the Windows, you can download it according to your system. So in my case, we have Windows. So I will install the installer package. Here we can click on the download. So it's downloading. Let it download. I will get you. So here the package has been installed. I will click the right and open it. Then minimize it. So I will click yes. It will take a little bit time to get installed, and it's preparing. Then click next, and I will keep it same as it is. So it is installing our Java. So we will click close. Now we have to go to the C drive and click it, and then program files, then Java. Then we have to go to the JDK, then bin, then we have to copy the path. Then minimize it and search here environment variable. Then here to go to the environment variables, click here path. Here we can add new. So here we can save it and say it OK, and then OK. Now we have to open CMD to check it is properly installed or not. So here we can type CMD. We will check the Java version. How we can check it? We will write Java hyphen version. So our Java has been installed. Now we will move how we can install the VS Code. For installing VS Code, we have to go back to the browser. So here I will go to the browser and click here and search it, download code VS Code. So here on the first link we will click, and then we have to click on Windows. So it is starting downloading. Once it is downloaded, I will get back to you. So VS Code has been installed. So now we have to click it, right click and open it. Now we have to accept the agreement. Then next. If you want create a desktop icon, so we will check it. I want it to on my desktop. So click next and next. Then it is installing. So our VS Code has been installed. Now we have to finish, and it will launch by default if we click on the checkbox. I will say finish, and it will open our VS Code. So our VS Code will look like this. So now we need to install the extension first. So here we'll go to the extension sections. Then we will search code runner. On this extension, we need to click on it, then install. I have already installed this extension, so I don't need to reinstall again. So there will be an option to install it, and it will be installed. So we need to go back on our browser. So I will search here Java for VS Code. So on the first link, I will click there and get started on the tutorial. So here there is a install the coding pack for Java Windows. I will click on it. Let it download. So I will get back to you. So it has been installed. Now I have to click on it, then open. I need to click on next, then it's okay, install, and it is installing. So it has been installed. Now we will need to run our code in VS Code so we can see it how it is working or not. So I need to open VS Code again and then click it there and open folder. Then I will go to the desktop and I will create here new folder. So I will name it to first Java code. Here I will click on the select folder and here. Then we need to create our Java file. So here we can click it and say hello. Oh, sorry. Here we will click and write the name of our file, hello world dot java. Sorry, Java. So now we have to run our first code, which will say hello world in the console. So now we have to click on three dots and then new terminal. And here I will click it and open CMD. I will clear it using CLS command. So now we need to compile it. For compilation, we have command javac and the code file hello world dot java. So here this has been installed. So now what we need to is that we say Java hello world dot java. So finally we have printed hello world to the console. So our video has been completed. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the future videos.